What's up, TNS family? It's your fave girl, Sera. Today, we are out shopping. I've come with the 2 tours. Gone it already. And we came to the secret sale shop. I don't know what it's called, secret deal or something. Here in Mountain, they have like a lot of cheap things. I'm okay, thank you. So yeah, we're gonna see. They even sell these suits for 20 bucks. $20. Hey buddy, do you mind helping me? I'm looking for size extra small.
They only go to 4 extra smalls.
4 extra small?
Extra small doesn't come here.
Alright. Is this your assistant?
Yeah. I'll just teach him. He's new.
Oh, he's new?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know, I own here.
You own here?
I'm one of the owners. This is the other owner.
So we're just having a look around. Son, say hi.
Hi.
Was looking for, oh, these jackets. These are only 20 bucks. Like, isn't that for all of the youngings? They would love that. Just having a look around. I don't know what exactly we're looking for. Oh,
Calvin
Klein. 20 bucks, sir?
That's for free. All on me.
Okay, guys, we've come next door. They have a store. Oh, these are 10 bucks. They also have like a food store next door that are like on sale. We had to come get wipes because I forgot to pack Tour's wipes. What did you do?
Yeah, Papa.
Huh?
Yeah. Hey, shut up.
Hey, shut up. Hey, what's your language, eh? So we're gonna get these wipes and I wanna quickly change this guy. Come, son. Okay, guys, we just had to do a nappy change. Tour decided he wanted to do a poo-poo in the shop. Okay, there we go. Oh, better. You're welcome. Love you. Hold on, can you put your shoe on first? Foot. Perfect. So we ended up just buying him one thing from the sale shop. There wasn't really much good things. Kind of like the same stuff when we came before. So we've already purchased a few things from here about 2 weeks ago. Got this for $20. It's like a little jacket, Mickey jacket. Do you like it?
No.
Do you want to wear it now or nah?
No.
Oh, put your seatbelt on. Okay, guys. Jacket back on. So windy today. It's freezing. That was crazy. Can you... Okay, say I was gone and Tua pooed himself and you're the only one at home. What are you doing?
Leaving him.
You're leaving him in his nappy?
Cause. And be like, unlucky you saw.
My brother hasn't experienced Tua pooing yet, so he hasn't changed Tua's nappy yet. But Goa can change Tua's pee nappies, so that's okay for him. But you need to learn to change a...
Or I'll just drive to Julie's house and take him there.
You're going to go all that way just so he can change?
Yep.
Come get your uncle. Come get your uncle. All right, guys, we're here at Woodgrove. It's our local shopping mall. And we've come to just, I don't know, hey. We've come to like hang out / shop. Might go do some grocery shopping because we literally have nothing in the cupboard. Doing window shopping.
We wish we had that.
Be fun.
Oh, I hate it.
Come on, bro. Push. Okay, fam. So we ended up going into Kmart and buying a few stuff. They were on sale for the house, so I was like, oh yeah, we can grab some of those. And now we're having sushi with Tua. What do you rate it? Is it yummy? What do you rate it out of 10? 1 to 10. 10? So I love sushi. I love that he loves sushi because I love sushi. Egg one.
And the camera to me.
What?
Don't forget your cactus that you wanted, eh?
I forgot about this.
Cactus.
Guys, this was $12. I had to get it. This will be so cute in our house.
What do you guys call this? A cactus?
It's a cactus.
This is the most populous cactus I've ever seen.
We finished eating. Quickly had to go to the car to drop off our shopping because we couldn't get a trolley. All the trolleys are locked. Eh, stupid queen. Me and Gua feel like getting a massage. So we're gonna go in here and see if we can do neck and shoulders, eh? I just want shoulders, I don't want neck. Quick story time that no one asked for. Anyone relate to this? Growing up, there were 6 of us, and me and my sister happened to have been sharing a room from high school all the way up until I graduated. Now, my sister back then, she was such a twig. Like, this girl was the skinniest girl that I knew. I have a photo, I'll insert it here. Kids, don't forget to flush your teeth. Anyways, it could be snowing outside, 3 degrees, and this girl wants the window open 25 hours of the day. Like, she didn't even consider me. Like, she didn't care. She's like, the window needs to stay open. So this girl's best friend during winter was the hairdryer. She would use the hairdryer, put it under her blanket, and just keep it running so she would stay warm. So lately, I've been doing that trick, and I don't know, guys. Does that mean I'm skinny? Or did I just waste your time by making you listen to my story time?
What's up? Hey, man.
My husband's finally finished work.
Yeah.
Okay, fam, so we are currently here in the city. We've come to watch one of my netball girls. She's playing here and it's their finals today, so we came to support her. Bro, the last time I came to the stadium was like years ago when we used to play here, and it's so different. So different. Okay, we'll see you inside.
Are we on? Are we live? All right, so we are actually in the headquarters of Victoria Netball. Oh, good. We went from social grade. Brother.
Are you going in? Are you coming?
Well, we're here to get your contract, right? We're actually here to get you.
Oh yeah, I'm signing on with now. Let's go, girls! The game is about to start. I'm so nervous for them. Oh, there's my girl. There she is. She's an athlete. Oh, she's here too. The coach is calling her.
Gotta make sure she's
Coach, call her. Tell her what to do.
She's ready.
Yes. This is Tina's husband. Introduce yourself.
My name's OJ. I'm Tina's husband, coach as well.
Coach, do you have any last words before they start?
Sitting here at this dorm and just hoping they, actually win because, I want to come back here again.
Are they versing a hard team?
I think they've never beat them.
Oh, okay. Guys, coach is in there. Yes, talk to your players, coach. Okay, that was an intense game. Like, that quarter, they're 9 for 9, so yeah.
Tough game, very
Tough game, but Tina's doing really well. Have anything to say about that quarter?
Talk about it.
Down to the last minute. The scores are 25-35. They're 10 up. Tina's team. They did so well. gosh, they've. The grand finals, eh? Is it the grand finals?
They made it.
They made it! We came to watch Dev 1 because Tina's team finished on the other side. And it's the grand final, so they're doing the presentation. But we're going to close the vlog off here.
You just gotta go.
He's got to go, bro. It's a Friday night. Guys, go enjoy yourselves.
Go enjoy the word, you know? Go Bible study or something.
Okay, like we always say, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.